The sheep is back in the farm. Can you tell us what you did to the sheep, Vet?
I checked his heart and I gave him an injection.
Okay.
And then I took him back to the farm.
And he is fine now.
Yes.
Oh, that's nice. Oh, what are these green things, Farmer? Farmer, could you tell us what those green things are?
It's grass.
It's grass. What's a grass for?
It's for eat.
For eating?
Yes.
For whom?
For cow. This for goat and lamb and cow and bull.
Okay, and then what about the poor little sheep?
And sheep and can eat this.
Can eat it. Okay, and what about this brown? What is that for?
And they can eat the sheep and this and the goat and water and this can drink 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 water.
Okay. Miss Vet, could you tell us if we can remove these fences?
No,
Why not?
because the poor little sheep will run out.
Oh no, the fence broke. So why do animals need fences? Why do we need fences in the farm?
So that the animals will not run.
Run. What will they do if they run?
They will get lost.
And they might get hurt, won't they?
Yes.
And they might hurt other people and other things too. So we need fences to keep the animals safe and the other people safe too.